I could make it easy.
In house music and dance music, things change almost every 8 bars. But when I'm live looping, once I record a drum loop, it just repeats the same old thing time after time. So in this video, I'm going to be trying to take my basic drum loop using some clever tricks inside Loopy Pro so that I can create drops, builds, and changes without having to re-record my part. First, let's take a listen to what it would sound like if I just used one drum loop through the verse and chorus of the track that I am working on.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can feel the sand on the horizon every time that you are not around. I'm slowly drifting, yeah. Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting. Wave after wave, wave after wave.
Now, to try and create these different drops, these different changes, what I've actually done is recorded these 6 different drum pads that I've got on my Nord Drum 3P to their own individual loops inside of Loopy Pro. I can then mute, unmute using solo actions, the ones I want. So it's quite easy using a button widget to press that button and it will trigger just a drop down to the snare. But not just that, I'm also using these buttons to fire different states of my effects. For example, I've got a high pass filter, a low pass filter. So I could drop everything down a little bit by simply bringing in a high pass filter to take away that low end. I could have a kick drum and a snare, but it'd be much more reverb, that kind of thing. There's loads of options. I'm still working on this, but let me show you how it sounds now with a lot more movement, drops in and out, and see if you prefer that style of performance.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can feel the sand on the horizon every time that you are not around. I'm slowly drifting. Wish I could take it easy, easy to love me, but I reach, find a way, stuck in between, looking for the right words to say. I'm slowly drifting, yeah. Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting. Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting. I wish I could make it easy, easy to love me.
That's where I'm at with it right now. I certainly, as a performer, feel it's more interesting and I enjoy the builds, the drop downs. It just feels like the song, even if it's a few chords looping, I've got places to go with it now. It's certainly not perfect by any stretch. I like to try and figure out some ways of doing extra little effects that come in at certain moments, certainly possible inside Loopy Pro. But as always, let me know what you think. How are you combating rather sort of stale loops? How are you keeping it interesting? Or are you just stripping it back to just say a kick drum and then focusing on the performance? I'm still learning as I go here, so I would love to hear what you think. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.